Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first wings in Terraria. Wings are a game changer, offering incredible vertical mobility and making exploration much easier. Most wings are crafted at a mithril or orichalcum anvil, which you'll typically acquire after defeating the wall of flesh. Your very first set of wings will often involve materials found high above the ground, specifically from the Sky Island biome. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for unlocking advanced movement. For your initial flight, the angel wings or demon wings are excellent choices. Angel wings require 20 feathers, 20 souls of light, and 100 pixie dust. Alternatively, demon wings need 20 feathers, 20 souls of night, and 100 demon dust. Feathers are consistently dropped by harpies, which you'll encounter in the Sky Island biome. These early options provide a solid foundation for aerial movement and exploration across your world. Gathering the necessary materials is your next step. Souls of light are found by defeating enemies in the Hallow, while souls of night come from the corruption or crimson, both after hard mode begins. Pixie dust is obtained from pixies in the Hallow, and demon dust from demons in the underworld or corruption/crimson. Remember, you'll need a mithril or orichalcum anvil, crafted from ores found in hard mode, to combine these components effectively. With all your materials in hand, head to your mithril or orichalcum anvil to craft your chosen wings. Once crafted, simply equip them in an accessory slot, and you're ready for takeoff. Wings provide a significant advantage, allowing you to soar over obstacles and reach new heights. They offer approximately 175 feet of vertical flight. As you progress, you'll discover many different types of wings, each with unique flight characteristics and appearances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.